it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be my Halo Beauty unboxing video, and I'm so excited to do this video for you guys. I have been waiting so long. I had to wait so long for the package to arrive, so I'm really excited that it's here now and I can start doing this video for you guys. So I'm going to do the full 30-day challenge. Yeah, if you guys like this video and want to see all the updates, all of my thoughts on the Halo Beauty, what is it called? The Halo Beauty booster, and give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and turn that little notification bell on so you can be notified every single time a new video goes live. Check out my social media links down below, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so full disclosure, I am not affiliated with Tati. I don't know Tati. Tati doesn't know who I am. I did meet her at Generation Beauty once. I'll see if I can find the picture and insert it, because someone's gonna be like, that didn't happen. If I find it, it'll be here. Yeah, that's really my only interaction with Tati. Just been watching her videos for a while. That's it. She did not send me PR. She did not send me things. We are not friends. I'm not kissing her ass or whatever. I'm excited, and let's get started. This is the Halo Beauty box. It's so pretty. It's pink. And then you open it up. Ah, there's a lovely picture of Tati. Hello. Welcome to the best hair, skin, and nails of your life. It better be. It was like $40. This is the bottle. It's so cute. I love the pink. Pink is like so cute. You open it up and it has a seal, which is always good. And then it has supplemental facts on the back. And it has like a glass bottle look, which is really nice. So it basically is supposed to give you thicker hair. It says, promotes thick and luxurious hair growth, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, promotes strong and healthy nails with anti-gray fighting enzymes. So I'm expecting the best hair, skin, and nails in my life. You know, that's what it says. So I was watching her video and she was like, you should see results in like 2 to 3 weeks, and this stuff is magic. Every time she said this stuff was magic, I was just kind of like, girl, please stop saying magic. Because like the more you say magic, the more I'm not gonna believe it. But I was really interested in trying it out, and I think the packaging is super duper cute. I am just really curious to try this. I haven't really tried a lot of, you know, hair, skin, and nails stuff, because I mean, look at my hair. My hair, it doesn't really need hair growth, but okay, it looks thick, but it's like not that thick. We shall see. And I heard you don't really see that many results in like 30 days. I just want to try it for the 30 days because that's how long she said it takes to see a difference. That's what I'm gonna do. We shall see, and if it makes any kind of difference, even like a marginal difference, that'll be good. It's like obviously the longer you use a product, the longer the benefits will have to take into your body. Did that make any sense? I hope so. Yeah, so I'm going to try this out starting today, and I'm really excited. They're such cute little pink pills. Like, look at this. Look how cute. You guys know I'm like a sucker for packaging, so okay, so you're supposed to take 2 of these a day. You're gonna open it up. Why? Okay. Haha, it's coming off. There we go. This is what the little capsule looks like. This is what the little capsule looks like. It looks like I could just open it up and take it out. We're gonna take alright guys, so just took my first Halo Beauty booster. I can't say that. It's like a tongue twister. Halo Beauty booster. I'm sure you guys all know how much it is, but it's about $40, and then with shipping and tax, it came out to around 50 something. It is kind of a lot for a vitamin, but I looked up ceramide, and a lot of the pills were like almost $40 also, so I don't think it's too out of the realm of the price point that it should be. In my opinion, it's not that expensive. Like, it still is expensive, relatively speaking, not that expensive. And if it works, it's definitely worth it. She does list all of the ingredients and the percentage, and some of them don't have a percentage, but they do have like a milligram amount or an MU, an IU. There, it says like IU, and I like that it's gluten-free, soy-free, sugar-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, so that's really nice. It's really universal for everyone in case you have like one of those conditions. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see my 30-day journey with the pills. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you can be notified when the next update video is gonna go live. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be my Halo Beauty unboxing and review video. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be doing the full 30 days and I'm going to give you guys updates week by week. So let me know if you guys like that idea. If you just want like a week by week. Okay. So this is the box came with. You can't even see that. Let me turn exposure down. There it is. Okay, all right. And then here's the box, or this isn't a box, it's a bottle. It looks like I could just take it out and, oh, okay.